Hello everybody, real quick before the video starts, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn that notification bell on because it really helps me out and it gets you guys to see my videos every Monday and every Thursday. Let's go ahead and get into the video.
Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing the Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. It comes with this nice cool app here, the Nighthawk app. I'll go ahead and showcase that a little bit later. This just shows that there is the main router and then there's the satellite. In this system, it has a satellite that you can put anywhere in your house to extend the range. It's also very good if you want to connect it to a PC to improve latency when you're gaming. That's what I use it for. That's personally why I bought it. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to open it up here and show you what it looks like. This is going to be my first impressions of the system here. So we're going to go ahead and take out, I believe this is the satellite. So it's got a nice shiny finish on it. Yeah, that's the satellite. So it only has one Ethernet port. And you got the power, and then you got a sync button. And the sync button, you don't really have to use it to sync both the satellites to the router. So all you got to do is connect it via the app, which is really, really easy. And this is the main router here. It has different inputs on the back for power, and then one for Ethernet, and then one for an Ethernet directly into the modem. And then it looks like here is just comes with the power cords. Looks like an Ethernet cord just fell there. They provide a Cat 5e cable. If you are into that type of cable, I recommend upgrading to a Cat 6 or Cat 7 personally, but the Cat 5e will do if you don't have another one. This is the quick start it gives you. It's very simple. You just download the Nighthawk app and you install it, and then you explore the different things that you can do with it. And actually it'll set up your system right away for you if you are it's just a lot easier. That's all I could say about it. And then it gives you what you should have in the box and what the different buttons mean. But this is the looks like the router itself with the plastic off, so it's got nice shiny. Then it has some nice rigid texture on the top there. Nice cool little modern design, which is pretty dope. And then this is the satellite itself that you can put anywhere else in your room to extend, or house to extend the range. Really cool. Like I said, I use it for my PC to reduce the latency when I'm PC gaming, which is really nice. So this is when I plugged it in initially. This is what it will do. And then here it's just showing you that it's rebooting the router, it's syncing everything. And then I just named my router Cracked because, you know, I'd be cracked sometimes when I'm playing Modern Warfare. But yeah, then this is the app itself. It'll show you all your devices that are connected. You can see them all on different networks and stuff like that. It's going to automatically put it into the different gigahertz or hertz antennas. You say I'm really not too informed on that, but I know the 5 gigahertz one is the one that has faster and lower latency. So then yeah, you can change your password and stuff like that. And then this is the satellite. I have it hooked up right here. I have it running a Ethernet cord directly to my PC to reduce latency. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's really dope, pretty cool. What else we have got going on here? Yeah, then this is the router itself. I have it in a different room. Just wanted to show you guys that. But overall, my initial impressions is really great. It runs the Wi-Fi 6 system, so it reduces latency really down. I get pinged as low as like 8 or 9 or even 7 sometimes with the new Wi-Fi 6 program. I would also like to mention that you can turn off devices in the app to not allow them to use the network, which is really cool for parental controls. You can also test your internet speed to see how many 4K streaming devices you can have on your network or gaming. It'll tell you that. And I also want to make you aware it can go up to 1.8 gigabytes per second for the download speed, which is really nice. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe because I'm going to be trying to upload every Monday and every Thursday. I try to do it every week. But I really appreciate you guys. You stay golden. Bye-bye.